Hi, my name is Ufodike. I'm an assistant professor at Texas A&M University, Engineering, Technology, and Industrial Distribution Department. I have a courtesy appointment in our Mechanical Engineering Department and our Multidisciplinary Engineering Department and the School of Engineering Medicine.
And what made you want to attend NAMRC this year?
What made me attend the NAMRC 53 this year? NAMRC is where industry, academia, and just the whole manufacturing meets. And this is a hub for innovation, new ideas, where we share new ideas, where we just think about how to move things to the next level. So NAMRAC has been my home conference as a faculty. I do have several conferences that I attend. NAMRAC is one of them. SME is another conference, which is of course a subset of NAMRAC, as well as ASME that I attend as well. So NAMRAC is unique with how it brings research and industry together. So this, I believe, is one conference that is unique that way, that industry meets research at its core. And it's the core values of NAMRAC is just how we can think about not just applied research, but we want to see theoretical part of it. So in terms of the research side and students, faculty, industry professionals are here. We just meet, get together, and talk about innovative solutions. They bring their problems here to us, and we of course come here prepared with a lot of ideas from which are conference papers that we submit, and then we have this roundtable discussions.
What would you say to someone in the industry considering on attending or sponsoring NAMRC next year?
Absolutely. So, something I would say to someone in the industry who would like to sponsor NAMRAC next year, 2026, is that this is it's the right time to sponsor, to be involved. So, I would say to industry is the right time to get involved in NAMRAC. Some of your industry problems are, you know, problems that you bring to conferences like this, and we can, as you know, as academic professionals, we can look at this problem. So, and I noticed that we just as we have with Rapid with SME, we don't have as much industry sponsorship for NAMRAC. So it will be a great avenue for industry to come in, so we can take those industry problems and look at them with the bird eyes of academia and try to solve them here at NAMRAC. So I would really encourage industry sponsors to get involved with NAMRAC. It's a very good, platform for industry and academia to come together and solve those very time constraints, those very sensitive manufacturing problems which we are facing today.
And can you share a specific example or story about how NAMRC has directly benefited your work or organization?
Absolutely. So last year, one of my students had presented in NAMRAC 52, and that was we presented on some AI process optimization for polymer additive manufacturing process. And I met with an industry professional as well, and we got talking, and then there was a specific need for our research for their problems, and we were able to talk after the conference and meet afterwards, and we just went ahead to implement the solutions we had or we proposed with their present problems, and that reduced downtime for them, that helped them with reducing things like defects, which is what we want to see specifically in additive manufacturing process. Right now we are trying to go digital twin process, where we can not just do process optimization, but we can do real-time monitoring And these are things that the industry really needs. And particularly for this guys, our process optimization solutions were able to be directly applied to their needs. And this was just one example I can remember from the top of my head, and got really excited about that. In fact, a student of mine interned in the same company, and so that's just the kind of relationship NAMRAC brings. So I am very excited, to come to NAMRAC. I always do come to NAMRAC. I'm already signed up for NAMRAC 54, which is in Penn State. So I'm looking forward to that. Excited about that. Yeah. So
Perfect. All